Good morning, class.
Good morning,
Good
teacher.
morning, teacher.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine,
I'm fine,
teacher.
teacher.
That's great. Today we are going to visit the Larius Garden of Change in Encantadia. Are you excited, class?
Yes, teacher.
Now I want you to close your eyes and count one, two, three. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
One, two, three.
One, two, three.
Three.
Open your eyes.
Wow. Wow,
Magic.
teacher.
Welcome, young Encantados and Encantadas. Today you enter Larius Garden of Change, a magical place where ice melts, water freezes, and air floats like a song. Sangre Amihan, Danaya, Alena, and Perena needs your help to show how solid, liquid, gas change through materials undergo. So get ready, stretch, smile, and let's sing through the magic of science.
Yeah.
Welcome to Loreo Yang Encantado and
Good
Encantada.
morning.
Last meeting, we discussed about the grouping of materials. Again, what was our last topic meeting?
Droppings of materials, teacher.
Very good, Ryan. But before we proceed to Loreo's garden, this morning I have here some pictures of objects. And I want you and what you need to do is classify them by placing each one in the correct brilliante. Brilyante ng lupa for sink and brilyante ng tubig for float. Are you ready, class?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Ang balon ba is mag-sink or float?
Float,
Float po,
Float,
teacher.
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 Float ba? Okay,
Yes.
very
Yay.
good, class. How about spoon?
Sink,
Sing po,
teacher.
Sink,
teacher.
teacher.
Very
Yes.
good. How about ang baso?
Mag-sink, teacher.
Cinco.
Sink.
Yes.
Very good. Ang kahoy mo, sink ba or float?
Mag-float siya, teacher.
Isay, mag-sing.
Okay. Float ba siya?
Yes.
Okay, very good, Mary. How about scissor?
Kuan, teacher,
Sing,
mag-sink.
teacher.
Very good. How about the cup?
Kuan, teacher,
Float,
mag-float
teacher.
na siya, teacher. Kung plastic. Plastic na siya, teacher.
Okay, mag-float ba siya?
Teacher, plastic na siya, dili.
Plastic
Plastic.
siya, plastic cup.
Mag-float siya, teacher. Daw.
Yan, still. Stay.
How about ang water?
Mag-kuan, teacher.
Plastic mineral di ay.
Mag-float, teacher.
Mag-float ba siya?
Mag-float og
Yes
naitaklob.
po, teacher.
Okay,
Yes.
very good.
Marbles.
How about sa kaning ball?
Marbles.
Julie na siya, teacher.
Sing,
Mag-sink siya,
teacher.
teacher.
Sing,
Marbles?
teacher.
Sing, teacher.
So, mag-sync ba siya?
Yes.
Very good.
Correct.
How about stone?
Sing teacher.
Sing
Teacher.
teacher.
Okay, mag-sync ba?
Yes.
Yes po.
Okay, very good. All of you get the correct answer in classifying materials that float and sink. Based on our activity, I can see that you really understand our last topic. And because of that, I will give all of you a special reward. The
Wow.
honor to officially enter the Lerius Garden of Change. Are you excited, Encantadas?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Oh no! Young Encantados, the Lerius Garden needs our help to face this challenge called Keep Your Sangre. I will divide you into four groups. The,
The power.
the four powerful gemstones of Encantadia Brilliante ng water, earth, air, and fire. I have here the mechanics. Can you read everyone?
Asa man to,
Okay, Ryan,
teacher?
can you read the mechanics?
The teacher will show a picture, then each group will identify the picture if it's belongs to solid, liquid, and gas. The group who first say Avisala and raise their brilliante will given a chance to answer.
Okay, Jerilyn, can you continue?
Ako na lang,
Okay,
teacher.
Ryan, continue. Okay, Mary, continue.
The group who first say Avisala ang race and raise their brillante will given a chance to answer.
And if you choose keep it, your group will save the points and claim the rewards after the class. Okay, are you ready, Encantados?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Okay, let's start. Ha, ang balde ba mo, ano ba siya? Ang balde, what is the state matter of the features belong?
Solid, teacher.
Solid teacher.
Solid. Solid ba siya?
Yes,
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 teacher.
teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay, the pail is classifying into solid. So next picture is the stones. How
One
about the
teacher,
stone
solid.
class?
Solid,
solid
teacher.
teacher.
Solid po, teacher.
Okay. Algin, tudloa daw ang solid if mukuan ba siya? Okay, very good class. The stones are example of solid.
Eh,
Picture number 3.
saan na siya, teacher?
Gas teacher.
Okay, gas.
One teacher.
Gas.
Liquid teacher.
Okay,
Liquid teacher.
Mary, pakitudlo daw sa sa gas.
Kanang
Liquid.
one teacher. Liquid man
Ay,
na siya, teacher.
Liquid man na,
Okay,
teacher.
liquid. O sige, Mary, pakitudlo
Ay.
daw sa liquid.
Gas di ay, teacher.
Gas na siya class kay cloud magkuan na siya, gakuan na siya og gas. Okay, very good. Correct everyone. Cloud is an example of gas. How about this one?
One
Gas
teacher.
teacher.
Liquid teacher.
Nabalik.
Okay. Ryan, pakituplok daw ang liquid. Okay, very good. Excellent. You did well, Encantados. Let's us give ourselves 5 claps. Okay. Based on our activity earlier, what do you think will be our topic for today?
Ako, teacher.
Okay, Mary?
Kuan, teacher. Solid, liquid, o gas, teacher.
Liquid and gas.
Okay, very good. Our topic for today is all about the changes that materials undergo. And that materials are solid, liquid, and gas. But before we proceed to our discussion, we have a very special guest.
Hello, kinsa na,
Who do you
teacher?
think will be our guest class?
Si Kuan, teacher.
Si Terena teacher.
Si Hagorn.
Si Doraemon teacher.
Si Doraemon ba?
Si Pirena.
Si Perena. Okay, now let's us welcome our guest. His name is
Ryan.
Perena.
Si Jorilyn. Si Jorilyn na, teacher.
No, she is Perena. Now you must settle down, class, because Perena has very important message for us here in the Reyes Garden. Kindly read Perena's message, class.
Listen carefully to your teacher.
Okay, next.
Participate actively in the class.
Wow.
Next.
Cooperate with your group mates.
Ah.
Okay, very good. Next.
Avoid making unnecessary noise.
Okay, next.
Say Abisala if you have your question.
Can I and Perena expect that from all of you, class?
Yes,
Teacher.
teacher. Naman ang teacher. Napanalimtan teacher.
Okay, basa daw, Jorelyn, unsa to?
Observe proper safety precautions during the experiment.
Okay, very good. Class, the four Sangri need our help. They wondered and observed that there are changes that can occur in materials in the Lirius garden. Some liquid materials can be changed into solid and several can even return back to liquid. There are liquid and solid materials which can be changed to gases. Gases can be changed to liquids. Solid can be changed also to gases without even passing the liquid state. But how is this possible? Can you please help Sangri Prena to investigate this?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Let us help the Sangri to investigate on changes that materials may go through by watching this video. I want you to observe, listen carefully, and take some notes. Can I expect that from all of you, class?
Yes,
Yes, teacher. Ay, sorry.
Learning is fun with K-12 lessons. Don't forget to subscribe!
Science 3, Quarter 1, Module 2. Lesson 1. Changes in materials from solid to liquid. There are changes that take place in materials. Some solids can change into liquids. Liquids can change into solids. Solids and liquids can change into gases. How do these changes occur in materials? Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a material measured in a definite scale. This is a thermometer. It measures the temperature of an object. Remember how the doctor used this to get your temperature when you have fever? Low temperature indicates coldness, while high temperature indicates hotness. the temperature can increase or decrease. When it is increasing, this process is called heating. When it is decreasing, this process is called cooling. Temperature of a material can be described through the unit degree Celsius. How does solid change into liquid? Study the butter being heated. Look at the butter before it is heated. Is it solid? Yes. What happens to it after it is heated? When butter is heated on the frying pan, it melts because it is exposed to heat, thus its temperature increases. Butter is an example of a solid. When heated, it becomes liquid. There are some solid materials that can be changed into liquids by heating or exposing them to sunlight or warm air. Ice cream, ice cubes and butter melt and change into liquids when left in an open place where there is sunlight and warm air. This process is called melting. Write true if the statement is correct and false if the statement is wrong. When ice is cooled, it melts. Flour becomes liquid when heated. Crayon will become liquid when heated. Candles will melt when lighted. When you hold an ice cube, it will melt in your hands. What could possibly happen to each material? What I have learned. Phase change can happen when the temperature of the material is increased. Melting happens by increasing the temperature of the materials. Solids can be changed into liquids by melting.
Okay. In Cantados, our goal is to help the sangre to successfully investigate on the changes that materials undergo in the Lireyus garden. Now, based on the video you watched earlier, what was it is all about?
Kuan teacher, abisala teacher.
Okay, Mary?
Kuan teacher about siya sa kuan kanang changes sa mga materials undergo o kanang mga materials nga solid, liquid ug gas teacher.
Okay, very good. You listen very well to the video.
Yes,
So, lesson
teacher.
in Cantadas, materials changes due to changes in the temperature. Matter exists as solid, liquid, or gas. So now, class, asa man draa ang solid?
Kuan teacher. Kanang ingkuradan teacher.
Okay, chair.
Kanang chair.
Okay, very good. Chair is a solid. It is because solid has a definite color, texture, size, weight, and volume. And one of the example is the pencil and also the car. How about liquid class?
Kuan teacher kanang
How
juice.
about liquid? Asa man dira ang liquid class sa
Kanang
picture?
juice teacher.
Juice teacher.
Okay, juice. Very good. Liq- Liquid can flow slowly, quickly, or very quickly. Liquid has no definite shape. It takes the shape of its container. It has volume and it can have different taste and smells. And one of the example of that is katuang juice or juice or kanang soft drinks. Example of that.
Yes.
And then also oil pod ang isa nga example. How about sa kuan class, sa gas, based on the picture class?
Oh,
Unsa man ang
teacher.
example dira ah?
Dili pa
Kanang balon.
wala may balon dira ah.
Kanang
Oh.
aso teacher, murag aso. Clouds teacher. Oh.
Clouds teacher.
Okay, clouds. Okay. Gas is air, which is why it has no definite shape. It follows that shape of its container. We cannot see it, but we can feel it. It has no color, and one of the example is sa gas class, sa gas. Ang example ana, one of the example is ang balloon.
Hangin.
Balloon has air inside and also the electric fan. Electric fan, it can blow an air, right?
Yes, teacher.
Yes teacher.
So now let's talk about the changes it matter. The process that cause physical change are melting, freezing, condensation, evaporation, and sublimation. So let us talk first about the melting. Okay, melting. Also, who wants to read?
Ako teacher.
Okay, Mary.
Melting is a process of change from solid to liquid. High temperature affects the physical change of a solid.
Okay. One example of that is kanaang
Ice cream
ice.
teacher.
Ice. Okay. Very good. Ice cream. Example ana is ang ice cream and also the ice
Ice
cube.
cube.
Yes,
Okay, very
teacher.
good. Okay, let's go in the freezing. Okay, Ryan, can you read? Freezing.
Freezing. Low temperature affects the physical change of a liquid. When the temperature is cold, some liquids harden and turn into solid.
Okay. 'Di ba pag magkuan ta og water sa freezer, magbutan ta og water is mahimo siya og solid class?
Himo siyang ice teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then ang kuan pod, ang isa na pod dira is ang ice cream, which is ang ice cream pag liquid siya, pag ano, pag tunaw siya, ibutang nimo siya sa freezer is mogahi, 'di ba siya?
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
teacher.
Okay, let's go to evaporation. Evaporation is the process where, due to high in temperature, the liquid turns into gas. Example of that is kaniang sa kanang magkuan og kanang
Mag-init og
kablow og
tubig,
aso
teacher.
ang o sa kanang
Bukal
pag
po,
magpabukal
teacher.
ka og water, di ba naay mo kuan siya nga kuan?
Yes,
Naay
teacher.
naay naay mo gawas nga
Aso.
ay it's look like aso siya, di ba?
Oo.
Then isa na pud dira pag magkuan ta og Pag maghalay ta og sinina is mauga 'di ba ang ato ang mga sinina, mga wala to ang water niya.
Oo, teacher.
Okay, let's go to condensation. Condensation is gas to liquid. Condensation is a process of physical change where gas turns into liquid. Cold temperature greatly affect the physical change of gas. One of one of the example of that is kaniang kayang mag-kuan og fogs bitaw.
Oo,
Then kaning
teacher.
sa cold water kanang mag-kuan ka og kuan sa kanang baso
Kuan po,
na
teacher.
nakakuan na kanang naka-attach.
Kana po
Kanang
sa
mag-kuan ka dira og what unsa to Mary?
kana po ang ano sa aircon, teacher. Magkuan pod siya og
Okay,
kuan.
very okay sa aircon. Next is the sublimation. Sublimation, solid to gas. Sublimation is a process of physical change from solid to gas without passing through or undergoing liquid states. For example, the mothballs. So, ang mothballs, di ba, is based sa ako ang nakuan is ang mothballs is maanam-anam siya og kahilis. And also, ang dry ice. Dry ice is also po siyang maanam-anam po siya og ka ma-turn into gas.
Yes, teacher.
So, did you listen very well with our discussion class?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Encantados, always remember when a solid turns into a liquid, the process is called
Melting, teacher.
melting. Very good. And also, when a liquid turns into a solid, the process is called
Kuan, freezing.
when a liquid turns into a gas, the process is called
Evaporation, teacher.
evaporation. And also, condensation is the process when gas turns into liquid. So again, what is the reason why the materials undergo changes?
Because of kuan, teacher. Temperature.
Yes, Mary?
Because of temperature, teacher.
Because of temperature. Very good. And what are those changes?
Kuan, teacher, si Jorilyn daw.
Okay, Jorilyn?
Teacher, wala na minaw si Jorilyn.
Okay, Ryan, what are those changes?
Solid to liquid, teacher, then liquid to gas, liquid to solid, and solid to gas po.
Okay, very good. And why is temperature important to the changes that materials undergo?
Kuan, teacher, because kanang maka-change siya sa kanang appearance sa every
Appearance of every
materials.
materials, teacher.
Okay, very good, Jorilyn and Mary. Yes, also because of the temperature, it affects the materials and change. Good job, Encantados. I can see that you successfully helped Dixangri to investigate the materials that undergo changes in the Lerius garden. Now I am happy that you successfully helped the Sangre to investigate the materials that undergo changes in the Nereus garden. All right. Why is it important to understand how does temperature affect the way materials change in our daily lives?
Ako, teacher.
Who wants to answer?
Ako, teacher.
Okay, Mary?
Kuan, teacher, importante siya nga masabtan nato kung giunsa pag kuan kung unsay apekto sa temperature, the way the materials change because makatabang siya sa atoa pag kuan pag-use and handle them safely and effectively in our daily lives.
Okay. Very good. It is important to understand how temperature affect the way materials change because it helps us to use the handle them safely and effectively in our daily lives. So let's give ourselves five claps, everyone. Okay. Now, experiment time. Are you excited, class?
Yes,
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 teacher.
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 Okay. With the same group, I want you to conduct an experiment about the changes that materials undergo. I have here the materials that we are going to use for our experiment. Okay. For group Amihan, Ryan, can you read?
Brilliante ng hangin will conduct an experiment about the changes from solid to liquid using ice cube, room temperature, and water.
Okay. For group of Alena, Mary.
For Group Alena Berliante ng tubig, they are going to perform the changes from liquid to gas using balloon, an empty bottle, and a bowl of hot water.
Okay, very good. For group of Danaya, Jerilyn.
Brilliante ng lupa will conduct an experiment about the changes from liquid to solid using chocolate and ice.
Okay, very good. And the last group for Br- Perena, Brilyante ng Apoy are going to conduct an experiment about the changes from solid to gas using dried ice and hot water. Okay. Group Alena, Group Amihan, what did you observe with your experiment?
Ryan na teacher.
Ay. Okay, class. After conducting the experiment, I want you to answer what happened to your experiment, especially to the materials. I only gave you 5 minutes to conduct this activity. After that, I need one representative each group to answer the question. Okay, are you all done, class?
Yes,
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 teacher.
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 Okay, so group 1,
Group Amihan.
who is your representative?
Ryan teacher.
Si Ryan, teacher.
Okay, Ryan. Group Kuwabihan, Brilyante ng Hangin. What did you observe of the experiment?
Ito, teacher.
Unsa imong naobserbahan?
Um, ice cube. Kuan po, teacher, ang ice cube na melt and become liquid because ang water and the room temperature can support or maintain the ice cube temperature to not melt po.
Okay, very good. Very good, group 1. How about the group 2?
Ako teacher.
Brilyante ng tubig, same question as the group Amihan. What did you observe about your experiment?
Ang among na-observe teacher is ang balloon is nag-inflate siya with empty bottle. I mean, the balloon inflates when the empty bottle is being put above the bowl of hot water, teacher.
Okay, very good. How about group of Danaya?
Yes, teacher. The
Jerilyn
melted
daw na, teacher.
the melted chocolate become hard again because of the ice. The temperature of the chocolate changes.
Okay, very good. So now, class, what um Perena had given me a question and she want you to answer this question. Are you
Go,
all
teacher.
ready, class?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Can you please read the direction?
Ano po, sir?
Identify the changes that take place matter by matching column A with column B po.
Okay, very good. Are you all done, class?
Yes,
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 teacher.
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 Okay. So now, I'll be giving you an assignment. So, uh, all you need to do is to copy this question.
Human ako, teacher.
Okay, are you all done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that's all for today, class. Goodbye.
Goodbye and
And
thank
thank
you,
you,
teacher.
teacher.
Okay, goodbye.